Dr. Dilip Kumar Jaiswal, member of Bihar Legislative Council, mentakasngi ke arpo khandai tarik jeliu, ulawan han nongpo haka program bala penlong deka parti BJP, ya kabala tip kum ka Mahajan Sampak Abhiyan, program on completion of 9 years of BJP government, lane ka jinken jo ka sorkar Modi, sya umaumer ubah khandai, ban syakri ye ki pajba kari India, haki kamsan perthai. Ka jing temu jong ka neka program ka longkum shi benta ban let jurib ru ye ki kam jong ka sorkar ha ka bayadei bat ka roy ka par ka bawan na ka sorkar Modi bat ban yakendu lang ya barok ki nong tre jong ka parti BJP bat ki nong kersan jong ka parti.
I am representative of the national leadership of Bharatiya Janata Party, Dr. Dilip Kumar Jaiswal, state in charge Sikkim. I have visited Meghalaya, especially Shillong and Nongpo, for the celebration and interaction with the people of the completion of 9 years of the Shri Narendra Modi ji government. 9 साल बेमिसाल, uncomparable, and Maha Jansampark Abhiyan, consultation with the voters and the booth level workers of the Bharatiya Janata Party. First, what the Shri Narendra Modi government have done for the country in the sector of foreign policy, in the sector of infrastructure, health sector, economic power, skill development, youth empowerment. Lots of work have been done by the Shri Narendra Modi ji government in 9 years. Of the Congress government leadership in this country, there was only 8 All India Medical Institute in this country. The Modi government in the 9 years constructed and established total 23 All India Medical Institute in this country. There was only 641 medical college in this country. And the Modi government have established 700 new medical college, including one in Meghalaya, Tura. And now the number of medical college in the country is more than 1300. You know the shortage of doctors and paramedical staff in the hospital. 70 years in the Congress government, the hospital was running without doctor and paramedical staff. Now the Modi government planning how to give the best health facility to the last people of the society, and the medical college, opening of medical college, opening of paramedical institutions is the real how to solve this problem. This is the real efforts of the Modi government. Modi ji has created such a road infrastructure, National Highway Authority, Bharatmala project and borderline road. You can see anywhere in India the road, the construction of bridge, so many places, even in Northeast also. So we are celebrating the Modi government effort for the country, and we are going to develop all the district headquarters as a smart city in near future, and also we are planning for one new medical college also in different parts of the Meghalaya. Sir, this is the psychological problem of different type of person in India. India is 140 crore population. And this is only psychological problem. Secularism another part of this type of problem. Voice of peace from the Sri Narendra Modi ji. सबका साथ सबका विकास, सबको साथ लेकर चलो. All religion, caste, creed, nation is first and सभी लोगों को साथ लेकर चलो. सबका साथ सबका विकास.